This is going to be a quick how to buy tutorial and how you can become part of the Arnilla Studios community. First thing you want to do is head to sologenic.org and connect your wallet. Select the wallet that you want to connect. Once you've scanned the QR code, your wallet should be connected. Once you've connected your wallet, locate the trading pair that you'd like to buy, either Xzilla or Arnie's. Once you've found the trading pair, you can put in an order. We recommend doing a limit order. You can select how many you want to buy. Do remember that it's one token will get you one NFT. Once you've bought your token, head over to the Discord and go to the token to NFT channel. This is where it'll have instructions on how you can exchange your token and receive the NFT. Once you've exchanged your token in the Discord, we will roll you a random number between 1 and 2,000, and this will determine what NFT number you get. Once you've had your random number rolled, you will be able to set your trust line for that specific NFT, which will allow us to transfer the NFT to your wallet. Alternatively to rolling it for a random NFT, you're also able to buy directly from the secondary market on the Sologenic website. Following these steps, you are now part of the Arnilla Studios NFT community, where you'll earn 1 Atom coin per day per NFT. These will be paid out on a fortnightly basis. In the future, we will set up a merchandise store within the Discord. This is where you'll be able to spend your earned Atom coins. You'll also be able to use your Atom coins to buy into future and current NFT projects under the Arnilla Studios brand.